Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, we're going to show you how to find your TradingView ID, which is often needed for bots, alerts, or integrations. This is a common question, so we'll keep it simple and easy to follow. First, let's explain what a TradingView ID is. Many tools ask for a TradingView ID, but what they usually mean is your TradingView username. That's the unique name that identifies your account. Sometimes they may also mean your profile ID, but most of the time, it's your username. To find your profile URL, make sure you're logged into TradingView. If you're not, log in first. Click the icon at the top right that looks like a person. Then, click the profile icon in the top right corner. Next, click Profile. Now, check your browser's URL. You'll see something like this: tradingview.com, your John Smith work. The username in the URL is your TradingView ID. Copy this username and paste it into the tools you're using. There's another way as well. If a platform asks for an account ID, you can do this. Go to the profile icon, then Settings, and then open Account and Billing. Some accounts show an account ID or subscription ID here. If you don't see it, don't worry. Most tools only need the username. Here's something to remember. Many people mix up the TradingView ID with their email, subscription number, indicator ID, or webhook token. So always check what the tool is asking for. If you still can't find the right ID, try copying your profile link and pasting it directly into the tools. Most platforms accept the full profile URL, not just the ID. That's the fastest way to find your TradingView ID. Just look in your profile URL. We hope this guide makes it easy for you to find what you need. Let's take a moment to go through each step more slowly so you can follow along as you do it. First, we log into TradingView. Once we're logged in, we look for the person icon in the top right corner of the screen. Click that icon to open the menu. In the menu, click on Profile. This will take us to our profile page. At the top of your browser, you'll see the address bar. The web address should look like tradingview.com, your username. The part after the last slash is your TradingView ID, your username. If a tool asks for an account or subscription ID instead, we can find it by clicking the profile icon, going to Settings, and then opening Account and Billing. Some accounts will show an account ID or subscription ID there. If you don't see it, it's okay. Most tools just need the username from your profile URL. It's important not to confuse your TradingView ID with your email, subscription number, indicator ID, or webhook token. Always double-check what the tool is asking for. If you're not sure, copy your full profile link and paste it into the tool. Most platforms will accept the full URL. We hope this step-by-step guide helps you easily find your TradingView ID whenever you need it.